Hey guys, Blake here at Kaizink with actually 2 improvements to our DTF curing station. So the first improvement that I made was for these silica gel tablets. We had them sitting inside the container and they were getting in the way, potentially falling on our DTF film. So what I did is I put them up here on this little cardboard holder that I double-sided taped to the wall so they're up and out of the way, don't have to search for them inside the curing, and they're not a problem. The other improvement I made is, so when we put our film in, we take our cup and we sprinkle all our powder all over our film. And then when we roll it off the film, it just ends up everywhere. And then when you put more film in, it lays over the film that's here, and then you don't really have much film to scrape up. The one option that we had was to tilt it and just kind of get everything to fall this way. Then you run the risk of these falling into the curing. My solution to avoid all these defects, overprocessing, excess motion, I took a piece of cardboard, cut it to 13.5 on the bottom and 14 at the top, put some tape to keep the curing from sticking to it, and then you just take it, push down, and pull. And then all your curing's back to one side. Thanks guys.